Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by choosing one high-value niche where viewers pay attention and advertisers pay more. Once chosen, publish a focused batch of videos, at least 30, to collect performance data quickly. Make sure to test thumbnails, hooks, and thumbnails a/B style to hit a CTR above 4% and strong initial watch time. You also need a repeatable content plan, 3 pillars, 1 weekly upload, and a clear value promise. This early discipline builds the audience that creates revenue later. Once you have baseline videos, double down on the ones producing most watch time and new subscribers. This amplifies the algorithmic reach. Make sure to structure playlists and end screens to boost session time and keep viewers on your channel. You should also actively convert viewers to community, reply to comments, run live streams, and introduce a low-friction membership or Patreon funnel. These steps increase RPMs and create predictable recurring income rather than one-off ad spikes. You now convert attention into money by prioritizing recurring, higher-margin streams, channel memberships, sponsorships, and your own products or courses, affiliate sales supplement. Price membership tiers clearly, $1, $5, $15, and track conversions. Once done, negotiate sponsorships only when you have a reliable CPM and audience data. If revenue or growth stalls, audit thumbnails, retention curves, and upload cadence. Fix the worst-performing element first and iterate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.